a lot of parents tell me, मैम why my बच्चा always prefers me over father, वो पापा के पास जाता ही नहीं है, ना वो किसी और के पास जाता है, बच्चा only wants me. And in some cases बच्चा only wants papa and does not want mama. Has it happened with you? Well, it's happened to all of us, almost all of us, because this is very common that child prefers one parent over the other. Just yesterday we had a PTM and one father was like, ma'am, my child just does not want to come to me. मेरे पास आना ही नहीं चाहता है. खाना खाना है तो मम्मा चाहिए, सोना है तो मम्मा चाहिए, अगर कुछ एक्टिविटी करनी है तो मम्मा चाहिए. मतलब what role do I do as a parent that my बच्चा comes to me? And the father was apparently very sad about it. Well, if you're a father who's ever felt that way, this video is for you. Well, your child is not rejecting you. They are simply moving towards the person they feel most emotionally regulated with. They feel most connected with. They feel most loved with. They feel most comforted with. And let me tell you the good news that connection with fathers can also be built just by giving them a lot of connection. So, in many families in early years, children generally want to be with moms because moms are maybe more flexible in terms of their career. They can give more time to kids. So, बच्चे को खाना है, सोना है, activity करना है, बाहर जाना है. Mama is always around to make them do activities. Hence, child's natural inclination is towards the mother. But this situation is not about love. It is just about attachment pattern. बच्चे के पास कौन ज़्यादा अवेलेबल है, बच्चे के साथ में कौन ज़्यादा कनेक्टेड है. सिंपल एज दैट. I remember in one of my podcasts with Masoom Meenawala, she was telling me that my friends have started developing this insecurity that kids are more attached to nanny more than the mothers. Well, the only thing is, जो बच्चे के साथ में ज़्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करेगा, जो बच्चे को ज़्यादा कनेक्शन देगा, बच्चा उसके पास जाएगा. इसका सिंपल आंसर है. ना मम्मा, ना पापा, ना नानी, ना दादी, नैनी, कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता है. द ओनली क्वेश्चन इज हु इज गिविंग माई बच्चा टाइम, हु इज गिविंग माई बच्चा कंफर्ट, कनेक्शन, प्ले. बच्चा उसके पास जाएगा बिकॉज बच्चा किसका भूखा है? प्ले, टाइम, कनेक्शन, ये सबका भूखा है. तो जो उसको देगा उसके पास जाएगा. सो इसमें मम्मा पापा का तो कोई बैटल ही नहीं है. Battle is of the connection. So generally what fathers you can do is spend more time with your child one-on-one. At least दिन में आधा घंटा when you're back from your work, half an hour spend one-on-one with your child. Connection तब भी grow होगा जब आप इतना time spend करोगे, आप repeated interaction करोगे बच्चे के साथ या कुछ activity ऐसा sacred time spend करोगे with your child. Number 2 is emotional soothing. Give that emotional soothing to your child. When your child is crying, you comfort them. Lot of times ऐसा होता है कि बच्चा रोने लगता है या टैंट्रम करने लगता है. You also run to मम्मा कि भाई मम्मा हैंडल करेगी, मेरे से नहीं होगा ये हैंडल. You learn those skills. You handle the child when he needs that soothing, that comfort. You give your child that comfort. Because let's understand, father का role in child brain development is equally important. Fathers bring a lot of playfulness, risk-taking ability, decision-making ability, that confidence, challenge, adventure in a child's life. Fathers, they tend to engage children in active play, which helps them develop confidence, social skills, language development, academic performance में increase होता है, rough and tumble play, outdoor play, football sessions, running on the ground. ये सारी चीज़ें जब फादर बच्चे के साथ में करता है ना, बच्चा अलग वे में ग्रो होता है. उसका कॉन्फिडेंस, उसका पर्सनैलिटी, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रेजेंस होता है बच्चे का. सो चिल्ड्रन को बोथ काइंड ऑफ कनेक्शन चाहिए. One, the comfort of nurturing, जो मम्मा देती है, and second, the excitement of exploration, जो father करवाते हैं. So daily one-on-one play father can do with the child that really helps you enhance your bond with the child. आप ऑफिस से आके you are like, I'm very tired, I'll be on the phone, I'll have my dinner, I'll sit. That's not going to work out. You have to be actively engaged in your child's life. Create special rituals. Father bedtime stories, father bath time play, or you go out in the open and you're running, or you're having some physical activity together. These rituals create emotional memories. You become your child's adventure partner. If mama is their emotional comfort partner, fathers can become their emotional adventure partner. जहाँ पे you are engaging in lot of maybe gym, workout, football, whatever your child is interested in. Do some physical activity with your child, because children truly thoroughly remember shared adventures in their brain as their core memory. नेक्स्ट आई वुड एडवाइज पेरेंट्स दैट आप ना एक दो बार ट्राई करके गिव अप मत कर दो कि नहीं यार मेरा बच्चा तो नहीं कर रहा है ये मेरे साथ. बी कंसिस्टेंट इन योर connection with your child. Slowly and gradually, your bond with your child will improve. Again, see, this is no competition where my child wants mama or papa. It's a teamwork. You both are in this together, right? बच्चे को इमोशनली अवेलेबल पेरेंट ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. सो आप मेक श्योर करो दैट यू बोथ आर इमोशनली अवेलेबल फॉर योर चाइल्ड. When you are playful, when you are patient, when you are nurturing the child, child उसी parent के पास जाएगा. So the goal is not to replace any other character or figure in the parenting equation. The goal is to add another powerful source of love for your child. And children may go through a phase where they may prefer one parent over the other, which is completely normal. But आपको आपके एंड से ट्राई करना है दैट यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली इमोशनली अवेलेबल फॉर योर चाइल्ड कंसिस्टेंटली ऑन डेली बेसिस. ऐसा नहीं मैं वीक में एक बार आऊँगा 2 घंटा खेलूंगा एंड मेरा फादरहुड का पूरा कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन इज ओवर. नो, यू हैव टू बी प्रेजेंट इन दैट डेली लाइफ एवरी डे, मॉर्निंग टू इवनिंग, राइट? एंड दैट इज हाउ your child is going to prefer you as a parent, right? So parents, this was all about why children prefer one parent over the other. I know a lot of parents would need to listen to this. So if you think there's anyone who needs to hear this, please share this with them. And if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe, because every week I come up with amazing content on child brain science and child psychology, which is not spoken on YouTube as yet. So I bring out very unique content, and please show your love by commenting, by asking your queries, and I'll personally get back to you with science-backed solutions. Thank you so much.